In this video, I'll guide you through how to repair Steam files. If Steam or one of your games isn't working properly, repairing your Steam files can often fix missing or corrupted data. To get started, open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, and select Settings. From the menu on the left, click Downloads, then select Clear Download Cache. Confirm the prompt and allow Steam to restart if required. After Steam reopens, return to Settings and open the Storage section. Click the three-dot menu next to your Steam library folder and select Repair Library. Steam will scan the library and repair any issues it finds. If you're having problems with a specific game, go to your library, right-click the game, and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check the game's files and automatically download any missing or corrupted files. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully repaired your Steam files and checked your game for any missing or damaged files.